In this video clip, you're going to learn how to insert online pictures and how to change the wrapping so you can move the picture freely, and you will also learn how to insert text boxes and move a text box. So in Word 2013, you're going to go to Insert, Online Pictures, then type in the subject that you would wish to find a picture about. I'm going to type in trust, since my report's about trustworthiness. My results come up. If you ever are using the online pictures and you get this message here, okay, go ahead and click on Show All Web Results so you don't get any errors. And then you'll get this message here. You can click the X to get rid of that. And then you've got access to all kinds of online pictures. I am going to click on this one. And so you choose the one you want, and then you click Insert. Okay, once the picture is inserted, it'll come in probably in a relatively large size like this. When you point at a handle on any of the sides or corners, you get a double-headed arrow, and you can change the size of the picture to make it a little smaller. Okay, there's also a button up here at the top where when you point at it you get a circular arrow, and that allows you to rotate the image if you'd like. But I want to move this. When I point in the middle of the picture, I get a four-headed arrow, and I want to click and move it to the center, like right here, but it won't let me do that. It's because I have to change the wrapping of the picture. The easiest way to do that is to click on the picture so it's selected. You know it's selected because the handles are around it. Right here, when you just point at that with your pointer, it says Layout Options. Go ahead and click it. And right now it is in line with text, and that's why it's behaving the way it is. So with text wrapping, I'm going to pick this one, which when I point at it, the name of it's Type. Each one of them has a name. I'm going to pick Type. Now I can close this, and I can point here in the middle, and with my four-headed arrow I can click and drag and put it anywhere I want to now. Another place you can go to look to change the wrapping is when you click on it, instead of using this button, you can go to Picture Tools, Format, Text Wrap, click the down arrow, and choose Tight there also. Okay, so that's how you insert a piece of clip art and how you change the wrapping. Now I'm going to put a text box in, and to do that, so it doesn't replace my picture, I have my picture selected. If I were to insert a text box right now, it would put the text box in the document and delete the picture. So I'm going to click off the picture like this, so it's not selected. Then I'm going to go Insert, Text Box, and you get all kinds of options for different types of text boxes. In this case, I'm going to click Simple Text Box. And with a text box, when you click in the middle of it, it wants you to type text. Okay, and by the way, you can adjust text inside the text box the same way you would adjust text anywhere else in the document. If you go to Home and click Center, it centers it. You can change the font and the font color and everything else, but I can't click in here and move the box. I want to move it down here, and if I point at the the side or the handles, I move it, and I can rotate it too, just like the clip art, but I want to move it. So to get the four-headed arrow, you point at the border and you get a four-headed arrow, then you click and drag. And if you want to get rid of the lines around the box, make sure the box is selected again, click on the border of it, Drawing Tools, Format, right here, Text or Shape Outline. If I click the down arrow, I can say No Outline, and it gets rid of the box.